How to access streaming services using Surfshark VPN. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to access streaming services using Surfshark VPN. So accessing streaming services using Surfshark VPN is a convenient way to unlock geo-restriction content from around the world. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go ahead and log into your Surfshark VPN. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now, when you're logged in, you'll see a list of locations available or the server located worldwide. To access the streaming services for a specific reason, you can choose a server location that corresponds to the content you wish to watch. For example, if you want to watch the US-based Netflix content, you need to connect to a server in the United States. If you're unable to find it on the suggestion, then you can also use the search bar tool, and then you can just go ahead and select that. When you do that, you can just go ahead and click on quick connect, and then you can just go ahead and select the connection button. After that, you'll receive a confirmation message stating that you're connected to a following server and all that. And now you can just go ahead and log into your server streaming services and start streaming. So that's how you can access streaming services using Surfshark VPN. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.